In my home, come and see lots of things for you and me.
In the bedroom, come and see. The bed is next to the lamp. The dresser is next to the closet. The mirror is on the wall. Things in my home:
Bed, table, chair.
look around and sing with me.
On, behind, in front, between. Things in my home that we can see. In the kitchen, come and see. The clock is on the wall. Plates and cups in the cupboard. The table is next to the wall. Things in my home: books, sofa, desk. Look around and sing with me. On, behind, in front, between. Things in my home that we can see.
In the living room, come and see. The sofa is under the window. The bookcase is next to the sofa. The picture is on the wall. Things in my home: door, window, wall.
Look around and sing with me. On, behind, in front, between. Things in my home